The solar charging light isn't just a beacon of sustainability, it's also a testament to practicality. The device comes equipped with USB charging ports, allowing users to charge their mobile devices directly from the solar-powered battery. This dual functionality transforms the solar charging light into a versatile power hub, particularly useful during outdoor excursions or emergencies where access to electricity may be limited. The ability to charge devices directly from the light source adds an extra layer of convenience, making it an indispensable tool for those on the go. Installation and setup are remarkably straightforward, ensuring that users can quickly integrate the solar charging light into their daily lives. The adjustable mounting options cater to various installation preferences, whether it's hanging the light for overhead illumination or securing it to a surface for directional lighting. The simplicity of installation makes it accessible to a wide range of users, regardless of their technical expertise. In addition to its practical applications, the solar charging light contributes to environmental sustainability by reducing carbon footprints associated with traditional lighting sources. By harnessing solar power, users not only save on electricity costs, but also actively participate in the global effort to transition towards cleaner, greener energy alternatives. The solar charging light aligns with the growing consciousness around eco-friendly practices, providing users with a tangible way to make a positive impact on the environment. The solar charging light's role in outdoor settings is particularly noteworthy. Whether it's illuminating a campsite, enhancing the ambiance of a garden, or providing safety lighting for pathways, this gadget seamlessly integrates into the natural environment. Its weather-resistant design ensures that it can withstand the elements, making it a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts, gardeners, and anyone seeking to enhance their outdoor spaces with sustainable lighting solutions. Looking ahead, the solar charging light holds promise for further innovation. The integration of smart technology, such as connectivity with mobile apps or home automation systems, could open up new possibilities for customization and control. Users might be able to schedule lighting patterns, monitor energy usage, or even receive alerts about the device's status, further enhancing the overall user experience. Remember to like. For added user convenience, some models of the socket switch protector may include visual indicators, such as LED lights. These indicators serve to communicate the status of the protector, alerting users to potential issues or abnormalities. This visual feedback enhances user awareness, allowing for timely intervention or maintenance to ensure the continued effectiveness of the protective device. The socket switch protector's compatibility with standard electrical outlets and switches is a key feature that contributes to its versatility. Whether in a residential setting or a commercial environment, this gadget can be seamlessly integrated into existing electrical infrastructures. This adaptability makes it a viable solution for a wide range of applications, from homes and apartments to offices and commercial establishments. Beyond its technical specifications, the socket switch protector embodies a proactive approach to electrical safety. By investing in this gadget, homeowners and business owners alike are taking a deliberate step towards creating a safer and more secure environment. The comprehensive nature of its features, from child-proofing to fire prevention and durability, makes it a holistic solution that addresses various aspects of electrical safety. In residential settings, the socket switch protector plays a crucial role in creating a child-friendly environment. The child-proof design ensures that curious little hands are kept away from the potential dangers of electrical outlets and switches. Parents can navigate their homes with greater confidence, knowing that this protective device is in place to mitigate the risks associated with electrical accidents. The visual indicators, if included in the model, offer an additional layer of assurance, allowing parents to easily verify the status of the protector at a glance. In shared living spaces or rental properties, where multiple individuals may have access to electrical outlets and switches, the tamper-proof nature of the socket switch protector becomes particularly valuable. Unauthorized access or meddling is minimized, ensuring the continued functionality and safety of the electrical infrastructure. This aspect of the protector contributes to a sense of security among residents, fostering a harmonious living environment.